Okay guys, hi, I'm Tristan here and I'm teaching you how to make a paper airplane. Okay, first you need a paper, and then second you fold it in half and make sure the lines are touching and it's even paper. And you fold it. Okay, second you flatten it out like that. Okay, and then see this line right here? You fold it straight, like right on it. And then you do the other side straight on it. Okay, once you're done with that, you fold this down. Make sure these sides are pointy. Okay, once you're done, fold these parts to right about here, both of them. Okay. Now you fold. See this right here? You fold it up. Make sure it could only go to the limit to there. Fold it up. Next, you put your thumb down on this. Fold it like that. Fold the back. Next, you fold this and make it about to right there so it'll be pointy. Fold it. And then do the same thing except the wing has to be the same size. And there's your paper.